Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is the 1992 Mazda Autozam AZ-1. So again, I don't know what that AZ-1 means. So I personally bought this casting because again I do like older cars and I do love some of the older cars so much, like the ones which we have here. So this one actually had acrylic headlights, so I bought this without any hesitation. So I bought this in 2023, 149 is the MRP. So let's unbox this now. Okay, the blister is broken because I kept a lot of weight on top of this. I mean, those are other cars, like lot of cars. I think this one actually has the protector like the Tesla. Let's see. Okay, this doesn't have any protector here. It doesn't have. So here is the card art. So again, I do love card art by Matchbox because it actually showcases the entire car instead of cropping the rear out like they do for Hot Wheels. Okay, so here is the casting itself. So while picking up the casting, I noticed it's very light and okay, so it does have a lot of scratches here, but you can see the interior here that looks really good, and it has acrylic headlights here. You can see the logo here. The logo is not really that messed up, it looks good. Okay, that is a dust. There's a little bit of grill detailing here, turn indicators. I think that is a fog lamp if I'm not wrong. That is not a turn indicator, I guess. Okay, so it has rear view mirrors here, that is really good. So it has tail light details also. It's a bit messed up, but it is still there. There's the grill detail and everything here also. So chassis, they have a little bit of detailing going on here. Nothing much, but it is still there. So it does have the hood detailing here. It is very light actually. You can see the wiper detailing here. Okay, this doesn't have any suspension. Let's weigh this casting. It is very light, maybe around 25 grams. Okay, 28 grams, not bad. So again, the rims are nothing special. This is like a pretty standard mainline Matchbox thing. They are they are having here. Okay, let's do a roll test now. That does roll really good. So the front wheel wobbles a lot, but still it rolls really good. Honestly, compared to Hot Wheels, these things rolls really well. Okay, so let's rate this casting now. So okay, let's leave the scratches out because that is something specific to mine. If you have this casting, I'm pretty sure yours might not have. So okay, so apart from the scratches, I don't have any issue with the casting. I don't see any issue with the casting. It looks really good. So the paint is a bit offset here, but okay. I mean, at least they went with all side of detailing here. So I would give 10 out of 10 for this casting. I'm not taking out any points for this. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.